Hey guys, and welcome back. So as you can probably guess by the title of the video, I am going to be trying the new Turtle Wax, Black Polish and Black Wax. Today I'm just going to focus on the black polish. So today I'm just going to do the black polish, and then tomorrow I'm going to apply the black spray wax. So Turtle Wax were really kind and sent me another PR box, which I'll show you in just a second. And Turtle Wax were also really kind to give me a giveaway prize for you guys, but I will get into that at the end of the video, so keep watching if you want to get your hands on the same kit that I have got. It will be the exact same box that I got, which is really a PR box, and you can't buy it in the shop like this. So one of you guys will win that. So this is the box that Turtle Wax sent. So this is the same box that the winner will receive throughout the giveaway. So they have sent me the Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and the Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Wax. In the second layer they sent me a sticker, they sent a buffing pad, they sent a smaller buffing pad, they sent a little applicator pad, and they sent 2 cloths. So if you guys want to get your hands on this prize, stick around to the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can enter. So as you guys can see, it is a really nice package. It looks more like something you buy as a gift. It is worth being said that I'm not being paid for this review or to try the products. Turtle Wax just kindly sent me them. So anything I say in this video is my own opinion, and I am not a professional detailer. I'm going to try the black polish today. Now this is to be used on a black car, as I'm sure you can tell by the name. You can do it by hand application or you can do it with machine application. Now I'm not used to using a buffer or a machine, but I do have one here. It's maybe not the best one I have here, but with lockdown it's all I have at my house at the minute, and I can't get to the unit or whatever. So I thought it would be quite interesting, because I'm sure some of the people who will be buying this won't have a machine polisher and will be doing everything by hand the way I probably would. I thought for the purpose of the video, someone who isn't maybe as experienced with using them, like myself, it would be a good test to see how easy the product is to use. There's instructions on the back and I'm going to follow them. So I thought for the purpose of this video, I'll do one panel with a buffer and I will do the other panel by hand, and I'll see just the difference that it makes. As you can probably guess, I'm not going to use it on any of my cars, because we haven't got a black car apart from my work car. I bought it a few weeks ago and it's an ex-taxi, and it has a lot of miles on it. There's a lot of swirls on it and there's a lot of marks and things on it, so it'll be a good test on that. So let's go and get started into the video. So as you can see, this car is completely filthy, so I'm going to give it a quick wash. So I've just washed it, and as you can see, it is quite a swirly car. So as you guys can see, I have put 3 sections on the bonnet. I'm going to do one section with my hand, I'm going to leave the middle section, and then the right hand side I'm going to use the buffer. Apply 3 dime size drops to the foam applicator. Spread the product in a circular motion with a light to moderate pressure. And take it off with a clean microfiber cloth. As instructed, do sections of the car at a time. It recommends to do 2 foot by 2 foot. I'm not really sure what 2 foot by 2 foot is, but I just give it a go. So now we are moving on to machine polishing. Just place 4 dime size drops onto your buffing pad. So start off with a low speed, moving up to a higher speed, and again wipe off with a clean microfiber cloth. So as you guys can see, I have done both sides and I've left the middle free. to show you what it was like beforehand, to see the difference that both techniques have made. Like I said before, I'm not a professional detailer. I'm not very used to using buffers, so I'm going to take the tape off now and do a little comparison, and then I'm going to put some water on to see what effects it has made on beading and water behaviour. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so you can see the difference between the hand polish section and the section that has had nothing done to it at all. There is a little bit of a difference. It's still quite swirly, but you have to remember the condition the car was in beforehand. So I'll let you make your own mind up about that. Definitely has took away some swirl, shall we say. It's not as bad. So now when you move over to the before section and onto the buff section, you can see it has made a good bit of a difference. The car did have quite a lot of bad swirls beforehand. If you look here in this sort of light, you can see how bad it is there, and then you come across and it is a lot better. So this side was done by hand, the middle part was left with no product, and this was the side that I buffed. So tomorrow I'm going to try the black spray wax and see if it does anything to it. So if you want to see that, check tomorrow for the video. But it has really made a difference there. You can see just how bad it is over here, and then when you come over, it's definitely not as bad. So if you are an amateur like me, it's definitely worthwhile looking into. So let's just try the water from the power hose on it and see which way it reacts. So guys, I'm going to let you make up your own mind about what you thought of the products. I assume if you used it a few times it would really help. It was really easy to use. It wasn't hard to get off like I've seen a lot of other people tell me it's hard to get off. I am impressed with how it turned out on the right hand side. I was going to buff the whole thing after I had done the test, but I don't think I'm going to now because I have the other ceramic wax which I'm going to use tomorrow. So I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to do the test on what it's like over hand application, what it's like without any product below, and what it's like with using the machine polisher. And I think that will be a really good test to see how well the product works. I want you guys to let me know down below what you thought of the product, and if you've used it, let me know what your opinion is. So moving on to the giveaway. Like I was telling you at the start, Turtle Wax have give me another box, the same as the one that I have got to give away. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is simply subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. It can be anything. If you want to ask me a question, if you want to tell me what you thought of the product, whatever you want to say in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment below. If you were feeling really generous, you could give this video a like because it does help me out on the YouTube algorithm. So I will be running the giveaway over this video and tomorrow's video. You can double your chances by watching tomorrow's video and doing the same thing. So I'm going to pick a winner on Wednesday. So guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching as always. And again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Make sure to hit the thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and if you're bored in lockdown, check out some of my other videos. Stay safe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.